Nestled in the heart of sprawling Bengaluru city, PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya at Yelahanka Air Force Station is a pioneer in imparting quality education.
Vidyalaya was selected as one of the PM Shri schools functioning in the country, paving way for it to emerge as an exemplar school over a period of time. Students participated in an exposure visit to the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Planetarium and GKVK Agricultural University to enhance their theoretical knowledge with practical insights on real-life experiences in the fields of science, astronomy, and agriculture. The initiatives included signing of Memorandum of Understandings with partner institutes, industrial visits, participation in science expos, imparting vocational training extra. IoT and embedded system trainer kits empower students with hands-on experience in building and programming connected devices. The installation of the engraver is indeed a valuable addition to the educational resources of the Vidyalaya. These resources greatly enrich the STEAM education and prepare students for future careers in technology. Maths and Science Kit enable the students to learn the subject through activities. Implementing holistic progress cards in students' portfolio represents a significant advancement in student evaluation. The investment in resource materials for teachers is a strategic effort to enhance the educational experience for both teachers and students. Implementing self-defense training for girls in Vidyalaya contribute to the safety and empower young girls. Medical camps have set a positive precedent and significantly contributed to the health and well-being of students. Toy-based pedagogy leverages toys as educational tools to facilitate learning through play. Creation and use of various teaching learning materials for students is crucial to support diverse learning styles and needs. The purchase of new sports equipment has significantly enhanced the athletic facilities, supporting a broader range. A series of expert lecture and career guidance were organized in the Vidyalaya, bringing in ace academicians from various fields of studies. Swachhata Abhiyan enhanced the sanitation and hygiene in the Vidyalaya. Under drip irrigation, students could recycle bottles, tubes and emitters to water the plants, which was a new learning experience. The installation of compost pit not only teaches students about environmental responsibility but also provides practical hands-on experience. The incorporation of vending machines and incinerators in school environments aims to improve student services and waste management. Community initiatives were also undertaken with active participation of students aiming to harness a sustainable nature. Vegetable and medicinal garden exposed the students to learn about different plants and its benefits. The procurement of colorful dustbins has enhanced the waste management system at the Vidyalaya. Vidyalaya is well aware of its role for the future and acknowledges the financial support by Government of India through its PM Shri program and duty bound to take it forward. Thank you.